Hello guys, today I want to show you one of my intraday trading strategies which I like to use on the Forex market. Let's get firstly started on a blank chart. This is what the scheme looks like. Let's get here step by step what the fuck this actually is. Firstly, we need to see a plummet, and that plummet needs to create a demand zone. After that demand zone gets created, we need to see higher highs and higher lows getting formed, creating a little bit of an uptrend. And then we need to see another plummet in that demand zone. We need a little bit of rejection, and then we need to see the break of this demand zone. Right after that break, we need a consolidation. We must not continue going down. We have to see a consolidation occur either in the demand zone or right below the demand zone. After the consolidation, we need to see a break of this demand zone, and then we need a retracement here. This is where we take our entry, and then we just ride the wave, targeting the highs of this plummet and the highs that are that has been before this plummet. Let's take this on a real chart. We took this exactly same thing on the Canadian and Japanese yen a few days ago, last week, if you follow my trades. We literally did the exactly same thing. Let me take this over real quick. So we need to see a plummet. There is our plummet, which created this demand zone right here. Let me quickly show you, zooming in, this demand zone right here. And then, as you guys can see, it started forming higher highs and higher lows, creating a little bit of an uptrend, and then we need to see a plummet, which you got right here. A little bit of rejection, you may not see, but this candle here retraced back to this demand zone and then got rejected. A little bit of a spike, and then we see the break of this demand zone. After this break, we see the consolidation here, right? After this consolidation, we are currently somewhere around here. We need to see a break of this consolidation, and the break must be above the demand zone, which we see here. And after that break, we need to see a retracement back to this demand zone, which we got right here on this candle. And after that, we can take the entry and just ride the wave, targeting the highs here, this one, and this is the nice supply zone, and this high. Unfortunately, this uptrend ended with a liquidity sweep of this high, but I want to show you a fun fact here. If we take this demand zone, right, we see the exactly same shit happening right after this happened. We see a plummet, right? We do not create a demand zone, but this demand zone is basically the same because it's still demand zone. Demand zone is a demand zone. Then we see the higher highs getting created here, right? After that, we see the plummet, and then we see the consolidation here, the break of the consolidation and break above this demand zone, a retracement back, where is our entry, and then just riding the wave till, yeah. We could have taken a nice long here today, but I wasn't home and I was not on the charts. We could target these highs, which you see the risk reward ratio is crazy. The stop must be below this. So what do we see here? We are risking 20 pips, 21 pips to make 166. Yeah, crazy risk reward ratio. I guarantee you 100% this trading strategy will give you a huge risk reward ratio. Like this one, for example, we risked 34 pips right below this lows to make 125 pips. It's insane, I know, right? It is insane how easy this strategy is, but it works every single time. I've tried this in a long time. Well, not every single time, but in most cases it's working. This is what I like to use on intraday. Do not use this on the weekly or the daily, monthly time frames, because even on these 5-minute time frames, this strategy still takes a lot of patience. As you see, you must see a plummet, then you must see a demand zone getting created or accessing a already existing demand zone, higher lows and higher highs, another plummet breaking. It's just a lot of shit that has to occur to get the trade, which takes a lot of patience. So yeah, trading is all about patience and psychology, as you know, which you must have. Yeah, this is basically the strategy. Hope you enjoyed, and hopefully you will use this strategy to maximize your gain. Thank you for watching, guys.